Alright friends, let's do question number 19 now. They have given the BSE spot as 5000. BSE spot will turn out to be 5000. Can you all please mute yourself? Value of portfolio is 10,10,000. RF is turning out to be how much percentage? 9%. And the dividend yield will turn out to be how much percentage? It will be 6%. Alright. And the overall beta of the portfolio turns out to be how much? 1.5. We assume that a future contract on BSE index with 4 months maturity. So what is the duration of the futures? I'll write down over here. This turns out to be 4 months. Okay. But they are trying to hedge it against a portfolio value of next 3 months. So duration in spot. That turns out to be 3 months. Alright. One future contract is for delivery of 50 times the index. So the multiple over here is 50 times. Alright. So based on this, now they are asking you to find out the price of the future contract and the gain on the short position is what they are asking. So we'll start and do it one by one. First, we'll find out the theoretical future price. The formula for future price is spot price into e raised to r minus y into t. So here the spot price is 5000 into e raised to, I think rate of interest risk free is how much? 9% minus 6% into time. Time over here is how many months? 4 months. So 5000 raised to, I think it will be 0.01. So the factor 0.01 will be 1.01 and 0.01 square divided by 2. So you get the number as 1.01005. You get the answer as 5050.25. This will be your theoretical future price. Alright. Now, we can also go and find out the contract size now. So the contract size will be 50. They have taken it as 5050 in your textbook, friends. They have not taken e raised to RT. So they got 5050. I have done it accurately. We got 5050.25. Into 50 is the multiple. So if I do this, I'll get the number as how much? 2,52,500. That will be my contract size. Once I get this, here the portfolio has got a beta of how much? 1.5. So I want to do a perfect hedging. So I'll write down working note number 2. Value for a perfect hedge. Okay, so the formula over here will be S0 into beta into how much percentage? 100%. Alright. So here if I do, S0 is how much? Everyone tell me. Spot value was how much, friends? 10,10,000 into 1.5 is the beta into 100%. So do you get the answer as 15,15,000 as a total value for a perfect hedge? Okay. Therefore, number of contracts. How will you find out the number of contracts? 15,15,000 divided by 2,52,500. I think you will get the number as how many contracts? 6 contracts. So if I sell 6 BSE future contracts, then I will get a perfect hedge. Is everybody clear with this part? Now, what is the duration that I am entering in the future? It is 4 months. But actually this is spot is available only for 3 months. So I'll just show you that now with the help of a chart. Suppose today is January 1st. Today I am selling 6 contracts. Am I right? Or the formula is 5050 into 50 into 6. That is how you will get 15 lakh 15,000. Just check it. Now what is happening is I need to cancel. This is due on what date? After 4 months. After 4 months means it is due on what date? It is due on April 30th. Am I right? Now, after 3 months, I need to cancel it because it's after 3 months that I'm actually going to enter into a contract, right? So, after 3 months, what will I have to do? I will have to buy how many contracts? 6 contracts. How many months forward? 1 month forward. 1 month forward. Here, this I have to do how many months forward? 4 months forward. Only then both will come to a common point and they will become nullified. Are you clearing? Are you understanding my point? January 1, I sold 6 contracts 4 months forward. March 31st, I need to cancel the position. How will I cancel the position? Buy 6 contracts. How many months forward? 1 month forward. So both will get nullified over here. Is everybody clear with this part? Okay. Now, once you have got this data, I need to find out the value after 3 months when the index turns out to be how much? 4,500. So I'll write down over here. Theoretical future price after how many months? After 3 months. Okay, everyone interact with me. How much is the BSE spot value after 3 months? That turns out to be 4,500. Am I right? Therefore, BSE futures will be equal to S0 into E raised to, what is the interest rate they have told over here? 9 minus 6. Minus 6 into 1 by 12 is what I will do now. So 9 minus 6 divided by 12 if I do, it will be E raised to 0.25 percentage. So that will be 1 plus 0.25% and 0.0025 square divided by 2. So I'll get the number as 4,500 into 1.0025. Okay. If I do this, I will get the number as 4511.25. So what I'll do is I'll come over here and here the cancellation action that I will take will be 4511.25 into 50 into 6 is what I will do over here. Is everybody clear with this part? So once I do like this, I will make a gain or I will make a loss, but both gets nullified over here. So I'll give a conclusion now. I'll give a heading called as conclusion. Point number A will be what? Sell futures. That is what I did initially, correct? So that was 50 into 5050 into 6 contracts, correct? Do I get the answer as 15 lakh 15,000? Correct. Now what am I doing? I am entering into buy futures to cancel. So that will be 50 into 5050, not 5050. Now the value is how much? 4511.25 into 6 contracts. Do you get the answer as 13 lakh 53,375? So tell me friends, if that is the case, what will be the gain on the short position? Do you get the gain as 1,61,625? This is the gain. And friends, with this, we are done with this question also.